In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color a dimension with Tableau. Coloring dimensions can add a whole new layer of insight to your data visualizations, making them easier to interpret and more visually striking. Whether you're a seasoned Tableau user or just getting started, adding color to distinguish different data categories is a powerful tool. So grab a seat and let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to launch Tableau on your computer. If you're using Tableau for the first time, you'll find that its interface is user-friendly, and it allows you to quickly manipulate data to unveil patterns and insights. Once you're in, the next crucial step is to connect a data source. This could be a SQL database, an Excel spreadsheet, or any other compatible format. Through the Connect pane, you can seamlessly import your data so that you can start building your visualization right away. After your data is loaded, it's time to dive into coloring your dimension. Look for your dimension of interest. This could be anything from a category list, like product types, to geographical regions depending on your dataset. Drag this dimension to the color shelf located on the Marks card. The Marks card is a powerful Tableau feature that allows you to control the aesthetics of your visualization, whether it is through color, size, or shape. Placing your dimension on the color shelf transforms your visualization immediately, as Tableau automatically assigns a set of default colors to each unique value within that dimension. This color mapping helps to visually separate the different elements of your data for easier analysis. Tableau does a great job at selecting default colors, but customizing your color scheme can enhance your story's communicative power. To do this, click on the color legend that appears alongside your visualization. Here, you have the flexibility to customize the colors for specific categories by browsing through available palettes that Tableau offers, or even creating your own custom palette if you're feeling particularly creative. Custom colors can be especially useful when you need to adhere to branding guidelines or simply want to highlight certain categories more vividly than others. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward guide to coloring a dimension with Tableau. As you experiment and fine-tune your visualizations, you'll find that the right color combinations can draw your audience's attention to key insights in your data. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos on data visualization tips and tricks. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and happy visualizing.